Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today I am going to describe the various activities done in our Darsgah. First of all, the name of our Darsgah is Darsgah Fatimatul Zahra Salamun Alaiha. Our teacher Ustad Sheikh Adil Sahab runs 3 Darsgahs. One of them is our Darsgah, Darsgah Fatimatul Zahra Salamun Alaiha. He is a very hard working person, and he has at least 16 years of experience of teaching. The role of our Darsgah is 30 to 40 students. We follow the way of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and our belief is Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat. We learn in Darsgah that how to protect our iman, how to protect our belief, and we also learn these things which are needed by a Muslim nowadays, like salat, wuzu, how to give bath to a died person means ghusl, and another things which are very important nowadays in Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat, that are aliveness of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has hidden knowledge means ilmi ghaib. And we also give additional classes on every Sunday of the hadith book Al-Minhaj As-Sawi, which is written by Dr. Muhammad Tahirul Qadri. And we also celebrate the day Urs of Awliyas. At that day we are very happy and we do programs at that day. The students came with full joyness and happiness. At every 11th of the Islamic date, our teacher does a langar. I think not in just this village, in any other village, these activities are not done. We have also done 2 races, which is not done. It is not just a Darsgah, it is an institute. And other thing that our Darsgah belief is only Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat, and our teacher is very strict on it. And we celebrate Eid Miladun Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which at least we have been 7 to 8 years that we are celebrating Eid Miladun Nabi continuously. This Darsgah is one of that Darsgah where we celebrate annual day. As today we are celebrating annual day. At that day, our teacher present awards to the students who are being good in a year. The awards like Student of the Year, who is the most punctual student in the year. And other thing we learn in the Darsgah, the meaning of Quran, the tafsir of Quran, the translation of Quran, ikhlaq, adab, and etc. And another thing that our Darsgah's door are open 365 days. We can also tell this Darsgah that this is 24/7, because this Darsgah's doors are open. And because this is why that it is 24/7, because our Darsgah teacher works very hard on it, and we also work through social media. And now we will come on the topic that how are the students of these Darsgahs. Our teacher have nowadays given authority to the brilliant students, and they are now considered as the junior teachers. And the junior teachers head is our teacher, that Ustad Sheikh Adil Sahab. And we participate in exams that our outstanding performance is outside on the competitive exams. Just like that, our teacher has recorded that all on the camera. We have a channel on YouTube, Alamdar course, and you can visit at that site. And another thing, we promote spirituality, knowledge through heart to the God, and devotion. At last, I would like to say that Darsgah is just a tool. It is to promote Islam. So be constant, and this Darsgah will give you a lot of knowledge about the Deen, about the Islam, and Ahl Sunnat wal Jamaat. Thanks, and have a nice journey ahead.